Hello everybody, welcome again to our course AutoCAD 2020. We will still working on the basics command and AutoCAD. Now in this lecture we need to learn a very important and more advanced command and AutoCAD. Okay, so let's go to the slide 21. We need to learn now the multiline command. Okay, so if we go to here to AutoCAD and we press ML, we can get the multiline option. First of all, if we go to justification, the multiline is we can draw line, double line together, okay, at the same time. We can draw with double line together. So if we press ML, first of all we can go to justification. The software tell us if we need to when we draw, we need to draw the double line when we use on top, okay, with the top line. So when we draw with the top line, and we draw double line together. Let's draw and to know what I mean. For example, if we go to ML and when we choose a scale, we need to put the thickness of the wall. For example, 20, and the justification top. And let's now draw. Okay. Okay. Let's increase the scale. ML scale, put 200, justification top, and let's begin to draw now. Now if we show that when we choose draw, we draw with the top, okay, with the top line here, not with the top bottom line, okay. We can choose the center line, okay. So the center line here is the 0 and the justification. The top and bottom or 0, we choose it for if we need to draw above a grid line. So when we need to draw multi-line above grid line, we need to do, we need to know if we want to draw with top, 0 or bottom. Okay, so now we didn't draw above, so we can choose bottom or top, okay. And if we show here, we press C to close, okay. For example, let's draw any grids, type of grids, okay. Okay, enter. Okay, let's go to ML justification. For example, let's choose the 0 and let's for the scale 250, go from this point to this point, okay, to now what 0 and bottom means, okay. Let's close. Okay, we can show here when we choose the C and the 0 and justification, we draw and the center line of multi-line. If we have the same grid and go to ML and go to justification and bottom, okay, and we draw here, we can show the bottom line, the edge of the bottom line now is on the grids, okay. And now let's press C to close. Can get this this shape, okay. This is a very important comment, facilitate and make our work more fast. So when we know we want to draw the exterior wall of any plane that we want, we can use multi-line instead of draw with polyline and do offset. So we can directly here use multi-line comment. Okay, thank you for listening. We'll continue in the next lecture.